Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the top hinge cover. Gently lay the cover back, taking care not to strain or disconnect the attached wire. Before removing the hinge bracket, note the position of each screw. They must be reinstalled in the same locations to maintain proper alignment. Remove the 3 screws holding the hinge bracket to the refrigerator. Then lift the hinge bracket straight up and detach it from the door. Carefully open the freezer door slightly, then lift upward to disengage it from the bottom hinge pin. Then set the old door aside. Position the new door over the bottom hinge pin, ensuring it seats securely. Close the door flush against the refrigerator body. Then slide the top hinge bracket into the hinge pocket on the door. Align the screw holes with the original positions. Reinstall the 3 screws into their marked locations. Place the hinge cover back over the bracket, then reinsert and tighten the 3 Phillips screws to secure the cover. Open and close the freezer door several times to confirm smooth operation, proper alignment, and a secure seal.